Hey, wisdom seekers. What if I told you that our greatest strength lies in our connections with others? The book Thief captures the Stoic principle of cosmopolitanism, the idea that we're all part of one human family. Through the relationships in this story, we learn the power of kindness and unity. Let's dive in. In the midst of Nazi Germany's division and hatred, Liesel's relationships stand as a testament to the Stoic belief in shared humanity. Hans Huberman's unwavering kindness, Max's friendship, and Rudy's loyalty remind us that love and compassion can transcend even the darkest ideologies. One powerful scene is when Liesel reads to Max as he recovers in the basement. Their connection isn't just about survival, it's about hope and mutual respect, reflecting the Stoic view that we thrive together. Even Rosa, often gruff and stern, reveals a tender side when she comforts Liesel after her losses. These moments show us that our shared humanity is our greatest strength, even in times of chaos. The Book Thief teaches us that unity and compassion are timeless virtues that can overcome any challenge. Let this story inspire you to nurture your connections and find strength in unity. Embrace the Stoic principle of cosmopolitanism in your daily life. Like and subscribe to the Heroic Stoic for more lessons.